Here we are on the SIU Day of Giving here at College of Business and Analytics, and I would like to give you $100. So if you had this $100, which fund would you support? So this year, Dean Morris is supporting the Dean's Excellence Fund, which goes towards faculty and supportive resources for accelerating education. We have this Dean's Student Scholarship Fund, which has supported 112 students at over $290,000 last year. And we have the Dean's Club 1957. It's a new fund, and this is looking at upgrading all of the technology and the resources within the College of Business. So all I need you to do is put your name and email address, or just your email address, SIU EDU, on here, and then you make your selection. And after you're done with your selection, you can write a note of thank you to the donors out there who are giving on today's Day of Giving.
What would this benefit?
What would it benefit?
Yes.
So whatever fund you want to put it towards, you would put it towards that one. And then at the end of the day, Dean Morris is going to pick from we're going to put them all together, and Dean Morris is going to pick, and you are going to win a swag bag from him.
Okay, thank you.
What would you say to the donors out there today?
Thank you for giving. Your donations do not go unnoticed, and they help thousands of students.
Thank you. All right.
I'm bad at it.